Good morning, students. I hope that you must have completed chapter 1. Now we are going to start chapter 2, that is relations and functions. First we will start with the topic relations. Okay. To understand relations, we need to understand new topic, that is your Cartesian product. So what is Cartesian product? First we need to understand. Okay. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets means A also consisting some elements and B also consisting some elements. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is called Cartesian product. A cross B is called what? Cartesian product. And A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs of xy. We will read it as set of all ordered pair of xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Means A cross B is what? Set of all ordered pairs which we know write as xy. Okay, such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Okay, so A cross B is called Cartesian product when A and B are two non-empty set. For example, I am giving you, see, such yours A is given yours minus 1 3 4 A set, and B is given yours 2 3, and you need to find out A cross B. So A cross B will be what? Your set of all ordered pairs. Okay, so minus 1, you will be taking minus 1 with 2, then minus 1 with 3, minus 1 with 2, minus 1 with 3, then with 3, 3 with 2, 3 with 3. Okay, एक और ऑर्डर पेयर. नाउ थर्ड एलिमेंट इज 4. 4 का ऑर्डर पेयर क्या बनेगा? 4 2 के साथ आ जाएगा और 4 3 के साथ आ जाएगा. तो दिस इज ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. दिस A cross B is what? Set of all ordered pair from first element is belongs to A and second element belong to set B. Okay, so minus 1 with 2, minus 1 with 3 first, then 3 with 2, 3 with 3 second, 4 with 2, 4 with 3. This is your A cross B. Okay, so we will come to know one more conclusion. If number of element in A is how many? 1 2 3, and number of element in B, how many are there? 2 are there. So number of element in A cross B will be what? Your 6. 3 2 just 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of element in A cross B this. So we conclude one, if number of element in set A are m and number of element in set B are n, so number of element in A cross B will be mn. What that your mn? Correct or not? This is one conclusion is there, and one more conclusion is there. If any set, we said let A and B are two non-empty set, but suppose any set is empty set. If A or B is an empty set, empty set मतलब उसमें कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली A क्रॉस B will be empty set because with whom you are going to get the product ordered pair, there is no element in one set, so A cross B will give you what? Empty set. Okay, and one more conclusion is there. If A or set B is an infinite set, suppose a set of natural number like that, so your A cross B obviously will be, A cross B also be an infinite set. Okay, that is important conclusions are there. Okay, so now comes what? One more thing comes what? Triplets. A cross B cross C is what? Set of all ordered triplets. Triplets means A B C, such that what? Same only, A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to set C. That is called triplets. Set of triplets. Okay, set of triplets. Okay, suppose it is given yours A is your 1 minus 1. Okay, find out A cross A. You have been given, you need to find out this. First you find out A cross A. I told you A cross A 1 minus 1 cross 1 minus 1. Okay, so A cross A will be set of all ordered pair. 1 को 1 के साथ करो, 1 को minus 1 के साथ, फिर minus 1 with 1 और minus 1 with minus 1. ये तो आपका क्या आ गया? ये आपका आ गया A cross A. Now you want A cross A. तो what it will be your 1 minus 1. इसको किसके साथ करना है आपको? This set 1 1 1 minus 1 1 -1 इसके साथ क्रॉसिंग करना है तो अगेन द सेम थिंग विल कम, 1 सबके साथ जाएगा तो 1 1 1, 1 इस 1 1 के साथ 1 1 -1, 1 -1 1, देन 1 विथ -1 एंड देन नाउ सेकेंड 1 -1 सबके साथ एसोसिएट हो जाएगा एज अ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, -1 1 1 -1 1 -1 -1 1 and -1 this is set of all triplets. Okay, this is called what? Set of all ordered triplet. Okay, so these are the properties of Cartesian product. It's very easy, you can go through this one once. One more thing is there, important thing is there that I will be telling you, that if this is a question, what if R is the set of real numbers, is set of real numbers, you know all R represents set of real numbers, then what represent R cross R and what represent R cross R cross R? So this is actually the set of all elements lying in xy plane. What is that? Your set of all ordered pair, set of all ordered pair in xy plane. In which plane? Xy plane, Cartesian plane. You can see this one. What is that actually? This is your xy plane. This is which x is your? This is yours x axis, and this is what yours? Y axis. Correct or not? तो R cross R ये आपकी रियल नंबर लाइन है, ये भी आपका क्या है? रियल नंबर लाइन है. तो R cross R is set of all ordered points which lies in which one? xy plane. Okay. Similarly, this is all ordered triplets. This is what are all ordered triplets. Showing what? Representing points in space. स्पेस आपका क्या होता है? 3D, 3 डायमेंशन. तो सारे पॉइंट्स x y z, x axis, y axis and z axis, point in a space. Okay, you have not yet started in space. Points are in 3 coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. तो r cross r आपको represent करता है points in space. Okay, all points in space. So this is a good question, so I explained in this one. Now equality of ordered pair. If two ordered pair are equal, suppose I am giving you one example. This is x plus 1 comma 1 is equal to 3 comma y minus 2. If two ordered pair are given equal, they will be equal if and only if first coordinate will be equal to first coordinate and second coordinate will be equal to second coordinate. So I will be saying x plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is what? 2. And what? Y 1 is equal to y minus 2. So y is equal to what? Your 3. Correct or not? You put here, if you are putting 2 plus 1 3, 3 के equal आ गया. Yes. Y आपका क्या है? 3 minus 2 1, 1 के equal आ गया. Okay. So equality of ordered, if two ordered pair are given equal, how you are going to get the value of unknown variable? First will be equal to first element, second will be equal to second element. This is your concept of your Cartesian plane. Now Cartesian plane, for what we have studied, its importance is to understand the relations. So what are relations? This is very good topic. You need to understand what are relations. Actually relations are the subset of Cartesian product. What that your relations? Relations are the subset of Cartesian product, okay, and can be obtained. This is very important. Relation always is what? A relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Any relation what is given, it's a subset of Cartesian product and can be obtained by giving a relation, describing a relation, you can say, by describing a relation between the first element and the second element, that is, okay. Suppose for example I am giving you, so it will be clear of this one. Okay, let your set A is your given, it is suppose on natural number it is given yours. One simple example I am giving you, okay, that is yours set A. It is given your 1 2 3 4 5 6 and a relation from A to A, from A to A. It is given how that R equal XY set of all ordered pair such that Y equal X plus 1. Okay, that is your A. It is given 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct or not? This is a set. So you know A cross A में कितने एलिमेंट रहेंगे? 6 cross 6 36 एलिमेंट. 1 1 के साथ, 1 2 के साथ, 1 3 के साथ. Okay, like that. Same similarly 2 1 like that. Okay, now this is a relation. उसने क्या कर दिया? एक कंडीशन दे दी, सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर, पर सारे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर नहीं है. ओनली दोज व्हेन y इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1. y कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे? x प्लस 1. तो यही वाले एलिमेंट्स चाहिए जिसमें y किससे बाउंडेड है? x प्लस 1 से. तो x में क्या रख सकती हूँ? 1. अगर मैंने x 1 रखा तो y मेरा 1 प्लस 1 2 आ जाएगा. अगर x मैंने 2 रखा तो y क्या हो जाएगा? 3. ऐसे ही x 3 रखा तो 4, और x 4 रखा तो 5, x 5 रखा तो 6. ना अगर x 6 रख दिया तो 7, पर 7 तो है ही क्योंकि रिलेशन फ्रॉम A टू A, तो 7 एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. ओनली दिस आर द. अब ये वाला ऑब्वियसली A क्रॉस A का एक सबसेट है क्योंकि दीज ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन A क्रॉस A. Get my point. What is a relation? Relation is a subset of A cross A. I have given one example of this one. अगर ये A ले रहे हैं हम, तो हम A cross A में तो 36 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर होंगे. बट अब हमारा रिलेशन क्या है? वो एक कंडीशन से बाउंडेड है. कंडीशन किसके बीच में रिलेशन दे रही है? X और Y एलिमेंट के, कि Y हमेशा क्या है? X में 1 ऐड करके मिल रहा है. Y you are getting how? Y is equal to X plus 1. तो X you are going to put all these, okay? But I can't put 6 because 7 will come and 7 is not existing in set A. So only these will be coming the relation, okay? This is a relation and this is a subset of what? Subset of Cartesian product. Now one more thing. Now we are domain of the relation. Domain of the relation will be the set of all first component of the रिलेशन. तो डोमेन क्या हो जाएगा? 1 2 3 4 5 फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द रिलेशन. एंड रेंज ऑफ द रिलेशन विल बी द सेकेंड कंपोनेंट ऑफ द रिलेशन. करेक्ट और नॉट? 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग दिस वन. व्हाट इज डोमेन ऑफ रिलेशन? दिस इज न्यू डेफिनेशन इज योर्स. डोमेन ऑफ रिलेशन is the set of all first components of R. मतलब जो भी एग्जाम्पल दिया, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट डोमेन विल बी व्हाट? योर डोमेन विल बी 1 2 3 4 5. करेक्ट और नॉट? एंड range of relation is the set of second component of relation R. Second component. तो range of relation will be 2 से start हुआ था, 2 3 4 5 6. That is range of this one. Okay, and codomain. One more definition is there. Codomain. अगर आपका रिलेशन किस में डिफाइन है? ऑन ए. रिलेशन डिफाइन क्या हुआ था? रिलेशन वॉज डिफाइंड ऑन सेट ए. मतलब हमारा रिलेशन क्या है? रिलेशन ए टू ए है. तो ये जो सेकेंड सेट दैट इज कॉल्ड कोडोमेन. तो सेकेंड सेट इज कॉल्ड कोडोमेन. Okay, this we can represent by arrow diagram also. The example I described that I am defining by this one. What is it? A set. A क्या था आपका? 1 2 3 4 5 6. और आपका A से A में रिलेशन चल रहा था. आपका R किस में था? A to A में 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is called arrow diagram. Okay, so one किससे रिलेट था? 2 से रिलेट था. 1 का इमेज वी कैन कॉल 1 इमेज इज 2. 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 3, 2 रिलेटेड विथ 3, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 1 5, 5 + 1 6. तो ये जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट थे वो हमारे क्या है? डोमेन ऑफ आर. ये जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट्स है, सेट ऑफ सेकेंड एलिमेंट, दिस इज रेंज ऑफ आर. okay, image of X. Okay, and the complete set is called what? Codomain. You need to understand this one. One last example I am giving you for this one. Okay, very good example is this. Okay, but one more definition is there, that is also inverse of R. First I am completing this. Okay, inverse of R is defined as R inverse. We are inverse of R. Okay, if a relation defined from where A to B, then R inverse will be defined from B to A. Okay, if R is defined A to B, then R inverse will be defined it where B to A. Okay, so now R, अगर R का डोमेन आपका जो होगा डोमेन ऑफ R, वो किसका बन जाएगा? वो बन जाएगा रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स. वो क्या बन जाएगी? रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स अपने आप ही, क्योंकि डोमेन जो आएगा सेकेंड एलिमेंट वो इसका क्या बन जाएगा? आपका डोमेन और ऑफ रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स, और आपका क्या हो जाएगा? रेंज ऑफ आर. रेंज ऑफ आर ये बन जाएगा आपका डोमेन ऑफ आर इनवर्स. जस्ट उल्टा हो जाएगा. एंड कीप इन माइंड दिस ऑल्सो, ए क्रॉस बी इज नेवर इक्वल टू बी क्रॉस ए. कभी भी A क्रॉस B इज नॉट इक्वल टू B क्रॉस A, कभी इक्वल नहीं आएगा. वन एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू फॉर दिस वन. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल इज दैट सपोज वन सेट इज गिवन योर्स R relation on set of natural numbers, okay, that is n. Okay, and relation is given yours AB such that A plus 3B is equal 12. Okay, where A belongs to natural number and B also belongs to natural number. Okay, you need to find out domain of R inverse. Okay, then you need to find out range of R and range of R inverse. Okay, you need to find out these things. Okay, and codomain also, domain of R. Okay, this is first you see this one, your relation on set natural number n. तो केवल एक नहीं होता रिलेशन, मतलब n to n. रिलेशन किस पे होगा? n to n पर होगा. Okay, now it is given A plus 3B equal 12. So I will be saying what it is your, I can say 3B is equal 12 minus A. I will take it this one. Okay, so B, how I can find out? 12 minus A by 3. Correct or not? Okay, now A एक natural number है, first element. If I will be taking 1, सपोज ए आई एम टेकिंग 1, 11 by 3, तो ये तो एक नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, तो ए आई कांट टेक 1 बिकॉज बी जो रिजल्टेंट आ रहा है वो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. बट हमारे दोनों एलिमेंट कहाँ बिलोंग करते हैं? नेचुरल नंबर को. आई कांट टेक 1, सो आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो आई विल बी टेकिंग ए 3. इफ आई एम टेकिंग ए 3 तो यहाँ 9, 3 3 जा 9, तो बी भी आ जाएगा 3. इफ आई एम टेकिंग 6, क्योंकि मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 लेना पड़ेगा आपको, अदर नंबर्स विल नॉट बी देयर, तो 6, तो बी भी आपका क्या आ जाएगा? Here you are taking 6 means 3 2 just 6. Correct or not? If you are taking A equal 9, so 3, B equal 1. Correct or not? This one. Okay. Any other options you will not be getting, because when you are not able to divide, that would not be a natural number. Okay. So first you are starting with the 3, because 1 you can't take, 2 you can't take, 3 you are taking, then it is what? Your 9, 3 3 ja 9. Then 6 you are taking, so 3 2 ja. And then if you are taking what, that your 9. Okay, and you can take it A equal 12 also. 12 minus 12, 0. No, you can't take, because 0 does not belong to natural number. You can't take 12 here. Okay, so your ordered relation comes here. 3, 3. Okay, second ordered pair is 6, 2, and third is 9, 1. This is your relation. This is a subset of n cross n. n cross n में elements आएंगे. This is called the subset of this one. Okay, so now this is our domain of R. क्या हो गया? डोमेन ऑफ आर. देखो डोमेन ऑफ आर वेरी फास्ट, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 3, 6, 9. और रेंज ऑफ आर क्या हुई आपकी? रेंज ऑफ आर आ गई आपकी सेकेंड एलिमेंट 3, 2, 1. ये आ गया आपका. और कोडोमेन क्या होगा? कोडोमेन रिलेशन कहाँ था? n to n में, तो नेचुरल नंबर, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. ओके, अब आर इनवर्स क्या होगा? आर इनवर्स जस्ट अपोजिट. यू विल बी टेकिंग दिस 3 3, तो इट विल बी कमिंग, इंटरचेंज द एलिमेंट 2 6. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 6 हो जाएगा. और ये क्या आ जाएगा? 1 9. ये आपका आ गया. करेक्ट. तो डोमेन ऑफ आर इनवर्स आपके फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 3, 2, 1. आप देखो डोमेन ऑफ आर इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू रेंज ऑफ आर. 3 to 1 इक्वल आ रहा है ना. रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स इज सेकेंड एलिमेंट 3 6 9 विच इज इक्वल टू वॉट? डोमेन ऑफ आर, क्योंकि उल्टा कर दिया, inverse relation. Correct. Now last is one important thing is there, how many relations are possible? Number of relations possible. So you know, in number of A cross A is what? Your mn. or number of subsets is what? Number of subsets is 2 raised to power एम एन. टोटल एलिमेंट्स इन ए क्रॉस ए एम एन. और सबसेट्स कितने होते हैं? 2 raised to power m होता है, पर हमारे एलिमेंट एम एन है तो 2. नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स कितने? टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन पॉसिबल 2 raised to power m n. Thank you student. Go through this all. Thank you.